I'm about to ride my motorcycle back to work. A little chilly outside, but we going. Been a while. 52 by the time I leave. Let's go grab a jacket. Grab a jacket and some gloves. 10 minutes to get to work. Seat dirty to sit. Oh no, I didn't put the screws back. We might be able to get her down. Nope, I ain't got the kickstand down. And we back. Oh Lord. Doggone seat. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. Been a while. I probably shouldn't go to bypass because it's so windy. I wonder how that sounds. Looks weird over there. To see all the hills and valleys. Boy, you know. On a bicycle in the wind. With a tank top and some shorts on. I guarantee you it ain't that warm out here. Clarence. Yep. Oh, Uncle Clarence. He's still driving. Action, boss. Still didn't get to check to see if this is working or not, but we mic'd up in the back. I don't know, mic check 1 2, pat, and we inside the helmet. So Hopefully you getting the outside and the inside sounds, and hopefully the outside sounds ain't too loud. Maybe I can turn them down when I get to editing. But yeah, we rolling. It's a little nippy. Ha ha. Nippy. Nippy, 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 nippy. Should go down the bypass, but who knows what that may lead to. I really be wanting to just go to the front of the line when I'm at a light. I gotta be in the right mood to do that though. Yeah, it's a little nippy out here though. Definitely can ride though. Definitely ride in rideable weather. Definitely a little cold out this baby. Out this baby boy. Cold out this baby boy. Why ain't nobody done nothing with that building? We ain't gonna make it. We ain't gonna make it. No, 5, 4. Got him. Like 30, 45 minutes drive. Ooh, boy, my ass would be froze by the time I get there. See how bad this bump is? Not bad at all. Wow. They really flattened them bad boys down. All of these. Wow. I wonder if they had a lawsuit or something. Not too late. They're going, not bad. They used to be back braking. Yeah, these bumps used to be back braking, man. You hit one of these bars, you ain't paying attention. You either gonna fall off or you gonna get hurt. Them bumps is bad. I don't know what it is in the middle of the road that causes it to bump up. Like it seems like the exact same distance apart from each bump. But like if you get on the side or near this yellow line, you can avoid them. Dang. Whew. It's a nice little vision right there. Nice little vision. This sound is okay. I'm gonna be excited. Outside of my fingers on the back right here is cold. My knuckles is fine, of course. There's a pad in there. But on to other news. I've been having time getting my brand new tires put on my Audi Q5. I was at, guess I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I was at Walmart where my brother worked. He worked there so I could get a discount on some tires. So I got the tires. Went ahead and scheduled Walmart to install them since it had to be shipped to them. Okay, so boom, I get there. Front two, no problem. I'm starting to look like, what's taking so long? Guy does, I think he's a service manager, comes in there. Hey, ain't gonna be able to do the back ones. Your key broke. Always take the lock lugs off by hand, and somehow it broke. It must be too tight or something. Like, wow, okay, so what's the solution? Can't do nothing? Come on, bro. Come on, broski. You don't break my key, and now I can't get the damn lugs off. Then took the car to almost every tire shop in the county. Ain't nobody get it off. Everybody referred me back to Audi to go and get the key from them, and then maybe we could get it off. I'm like, nah, bro, that's crazy. So I called Audi, just wondering. Called them. Hey, how's it going? Got a couple of lock lugs I need taken off. Lost my key. Need a key. How much your key cost? Well, you know, we keep a master set here. If you can bring your car by, we can match it up, make sure we give you the right one, and they normally go for about 60 bucks. Now, mind you, the closest Audi dealership is at least an hour away, no matter which direction I go. So, you know, driving an hour away in a premium fuel car, like, you gotta be going for a reason to drive an hour away. Like, you can't just take no fun trip for an hour and then turn around and come back. You ain't on no motorcycle. So, I'm not with that. So I find alternatives, which would be eBay. eBay guarantees parts and stuff. I went on there and looked. They had one for 40. I ordered it. The seller reached out to me, like called me on my cell phone. Crazy. Got the phone call. Hey, we just trying to make sure we got the right one. So I sent him pictures of it. He's like, I think it's this one. It could be this one, but I think it's this one. Asked me to confirm it. Come to find out, I was ordering the wrong one, so he fixed that. Shout out to my guy. Why the hell is it deer in her front yard? What the freak? Y'all been over here too? Dang. So this right here on the ground is my lock lug that they just threw down on the ground from FedEx. Shout out to FedEx. Throw shit down on the ground. That's what they known for. But I guess I'm gonna take it, and I don't know why they got deer in the front yard. There ain't even no woods over there. But I'm gonna try see if this work. If it work, I might try and take them off myself. If not, who knows?